Alterations was a family business. I basically grew up around my father's feet in the stores, starting things from picking up pins to pinning customers' trousers and unpicking stuff. To be honest, I found quite boring. It was very outdated, and I felt that from an early age. Once I left school, I went and worked in several different industries and learnt so much along the way. I've had several businesses of my own in the past, and every business I've touched, I've wanted to change the way it's done. I came to a point in my life where I was in between businesses. I had just had my first child, and I thought to myself, what is it that I really know well? What is it that I'm good at? And I thought, well, it's running an alteration shop. I know how to do that well. Before I got involved into it, I thought to myself, I've got to change the way it's done. So what I'd done, I looked at the 3-4 key elements that gave it that reputation, that gave it that boring, dry look. First thing was location. They were always tucked away, hidden away in little crevices of shopping centres. Second thing was the customer service. The customer service you traditionally receive at an alteration store isn't the same customer service you'll receive at a McDonald's. The third thing was the speed. You take something to an alteration shop, you're generally picking it up in a week. In terms of a look, we've followed the concept of the Boost and Subway model. We're in development stage of showing customers that they can drop their trousers off, watch them get done, pick them up within 3-4 minutes. We believe that service in a fashion environment is exactly what people are looking for. People don't shop nowadays just to have something in their cupboard. They're shopping because they want to wear it that night. They're shopping because they've got an interview the next day. So it's all about speed and convenience. So that's one thing we really improved. The next thing we've done is we've developed an application, a mobile app, which works closely within all the stores. We're really modernizing the alterations game via the technology in developing ways for the retailers to be able to liaise with their alteration store, to be able to fix clothing the way it needs to be fixed. Our reviews online say it all, with outweighing any alteration shop there is in Australia. We've got 180 positive reviews on Google with a 4.8 rating star, and another 190 reviews on Facebook, again with a 4.8 star. There is no alteration store in Australia that matches those reviews. If you have a look at the things customers have got to say about us, it makes me proud. It makes me warm and fuzzy inside. I love making people happy. I don't shorten pants, I make people's life easier.